All right, quick question. You're building your financial future, right? Maybe you're eyeing that first house, or planning for a comfortable retirement, or just trying to get your investments in order. Now, someone tells you there's a platform, M1 Finance, where you can do all that, and it's absolutely free. Like, no fees. Zero. Nada. You'd jump on that, wouldn't you? But here's the thing. In the world of finance, does free really exist? Or is it a bit like those free trials that suddenly turn into monthly subscriptions you forgot to cancel? That's what we're digging into today. Is M1 Finance truly free? Or are there hidden costs lurking beneath the surface, ready to eat into your hard-earned gains? Let's be honest, the idea of a free investing platform is incredibly appealing. Especially when you consider the traditional model. Brokers often charge commissions for trades, account maintenance fees, and all sorts of other little charges that can add up significantly over time. M1 Finance disrupts that model, claiming to offer commission-free trading and a suite of financial tools without the usual fees. So, how does it work? What's the catch? To understand this, we need to break down M1 Finance into its core components. First, let's talk about the pies. M1 Finance's signature feature is its pie-based investing system. You create a portfolio, a pie, by allocating percentages to different stocks, ETFs, or even pre-built expert pies. This allows for automated investing, where your money is automatically rebalanced to maintain your desired allocation. Now, the core trading within these pies is indeed commission-free. You can buy and sell shares without paying a per-trade fee. This is a huge advantage compared to traditional brokers. But, and this is a crucial but, commission-free doesn't mean cost-free. Consider this, M1 Finance makes money through a few key avenues. One is through its premium service, M1 Plus. This is where the free narrative starts to get a bit more nuanced. M1 Plus is a paid subscription that offers additional features, such as an afternoon trading window, smart transfers, and higher interest rates on M1 spend. So, while the basic platform is free, they're hoping you'll see the value in upgrading. It's a classic freemium model. They give you the core product for free, hoping you'll pay for the extras. Another way M1 Finance generates revenue is through payment for order flow. This is a practice where they receive compensation for directing your trades to specific market makers. Essentially, they're getting paid to route your orders. While this is a common practice in the industry, it's important to be aware of it. Now, let's talk about M1 Spend. This is their integrated checking and savings account. The basic M1 Spend account is free, but as mentioned, M1 Plus offers higher interest rates. This is another example of how they incentivize users to upgrade. Furthermore, M1 Borrow, their portfolio line of credit, is also a revenue generator. When you borrow against your portfolio, you pay interest. This is a common feature among brokerage platforms, but it's another way M1 Finance makes money. So, is M1 Finance free in the purest sense of the word? Not entirely. The basic platform is free for core investing functionalities, but they offer premium features and services that come at a cost. They also generate revenue through payment for order flow and interest on loans. Now, let's address some common concerns and misconceptions. One big question is about hidden fees. While M1 Finance is transparent about its pricing structure, it's essential to understand the fine print. For example, there are potential fees associated with certain transactions, such as wire transfers or outgoing account transfers. These fees are clearly listed on their website, but it's important to be aware of them. Another concern is about the limitations of the free platform. For example, the basic platform only offers one trading window per day. This means you can only place trades during a specific time. If you need more flexibility, you'll need to upgrade to M1 Plus. Also, consider the opportunity cost. While M1 Finance's automated investing is convenient, it may not be suitable for active traders who want to make frequent trades. The limited trading windows and automated rebalancing might be restrictive for those who prefer more control. Let's also talk about the user experience. M1 Finance's platform is designed to be user-friendly, especially for beginners. The pie-based system is intuitive and easy to understand. However, some users may find the lack of advanced trading tools and research features limiting. For long-term investors, the automated nature of M1 Finance can be a great benefit. By setting up your portfolio and automating your investments, you can take the emotion out of investing and stick to your long-term plan. The rebalancing feature also ensures that your portfolio stays aligned with your desired allocation. However, it's crucial to remember that investing always involves risk. There are no guarantees, and the value of your investments can fluctuate. M1 Finance, like any other brokerage platform, does not guarantee profits. So, who is M1 Finance for? It's ideal for long-term investors who want a simple, automated investing platform. It's also a good option for beginners who are just starting out and want to learn the basics of investing. But it may not be the best choice for active traders or those who need access to advanced trading tools and research features. If you need real-time trading or in-depth data analysis, you may want to look at a traditional brokerage. Ultimately, whether M1 Finance is free enough for you depends on your individual needs and investment goals. If you're looking for a simple, automated investing platform for long-term growth, the basic platform may be sufficient. But if you need more flexibility and advanced features, you may need to consider upgrading to M1 Plus. In summary, M1 Finance offers a free platform for basic investing functionalities. However, it's essential to understand their revenue model and the potential costs associated with premium features and certain transactions. Do your due diligence, understand the fine print, and make sure it aligns with your financial goals. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Research. Read the terms and conditions. And most importantly, understand your own financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.